Hey guys, so today you're going to have to input your answers on GoFormative, and because we are talking about slopes and you may have some fractions, I got to show you how to put in the fractions. And I'm going to give you an answer. So for number one, if you take a look here and you have to find the slope, you go from one point to the other, and I always go from left to right. So I go down 2, so negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right 4. So down 2, negative 2 over 4, to the right 4 would be a positive 4. So negative 2 over 4 would be a negative 1/2. So if I'm going to type in the slope, I have to write this as a fraction. So you're going to go here to that keyboard, click there, and then I come here, and this is what you're going to use to type your fraction. See how immediately I click on it, it looks like a fraction. So it was negative 1, down 1, over positive 2. I look up here, and it's green. So make sure that as you are finding your slopes, you're not only reducing them, but you are typing them in as fractions. So the rest of them are for you to try on your own. But if you have any questions, please reach out. Good luck.